This is the elevator at the MGM Grand Station. I'm gonna do some things on this that I didn't even know. This thing's like actually like possessed. So for one thing, it doesn't go anywhere. Like it will always park here with the door open. Like it won't close. I guess now it will. But see, okay, that I didn't. Yeah, it will always reopen, and it will stay open until I hit a button. Pretty good motor, I will say that. Up here it will close. I don't have to do anything. It will, okay. Well first, we'll go down. Now I'm gonna show you something very funny about this elevator. We're gonna do 2 rides, but I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do 2 rides. Spam this until the button goes out. Yeah, it does that. Also, for the record, the indicator's messed up. And now I'm not gonna press any buttons. It's gonna go on its own. See, nothing is lit. Now it's just gonna stay here. Now, I think the indicator also does something where when you do hit a button. So we'll go back up. The cabbie on the way up, although you can barely see anything. See, the indicator's just gonna go blank in a second. I don't know why, but I'm gonna press a button. I don't know why. Okay, this time it didn't show B. It's gonna show, when we arrive at C, by the way, let me remind you it's C. It's gonna change when the door opens. Or go a little before. This thing's like severely possessed. I don't know what to tell you. And I was gonna say watch it close, but it's just gonna stay here. Like it won't go. It won't go unless someone presses a button. Not even if I do this. Or, alright, well, there it goes. And that will not be it.